Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to answer the very interesting question: where is torch? People been asking me, Nathan, where is torch in this device called DOOGEE N30? So here am I to answer this question. You just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button flashlight. Tap on it once, and as you can see, flashlight lights right now. By tapping on it one more time, you can disable the flashlight, and that's how it's done. Can you what? I just want to show you how it flashes. Yeah. Okay. Enough of that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.